So mastering these AI-driven techniques does not just give you a one-time success. It sets you up for long-term growth. As you continue refining your sales pitches and proposals, keep a few guiding principles in mind, okay? First up, pay attention to your prompts. Every request you give AI tools like ChatGPT shapes the quality of what you get back. So be very careful. What you give is what you get. So what you want to do is be very specific. Don't just write something basic in just one sentence. Even if it has to be 10 sentences, make it 10. Make it 20, but be specific. Mention the industry, the problem, and the style of output you want. Over time, you'll learn exactly how to phrase your inputs to yield the most relevant, insightful results. This is an extra effort. It's merely a way to streamline and sharpen your workflow. Next, keep your presentations client-centric. Yes, you have powerful tech tools and clever frameworks at your disposal, but the heart of every pitch should be what your client cares about. Always ask yourself this: why does this matter to them? And why should it matter to them? Make sure the data you highlight, the visuals you choose, and the narrative you craft serve their ideas. When clients see that the story you're telling is truly about their success, they're more likely to trust you and respond positively. Last but not least, stay flexible. Markets change, technologies evolve, and client priorities shift. The methods and tools you're using now are very powerful, that's correct, but don't hesitate to adjust them as circumstances demand. If a particular visualization style doesn't really resonate with your audience, tweak it. If certain metrics aren't grabbing attention, try focusing on other angles. The beauty of AI-driven workflows is that they're adaptable. They allow you to pivot quickly in response to feedback. Last but not least, AI isn't just a trendy add-on. It's a competitive edge that can elevate every aspect of your sales process. By refining your prompts, keeping your clients at the center of your narrative, and remaining open to change, you, my friend, will continue to deliver presentations that stand out and impress. As you apply these principles, watch how your decks become more refined, how your messaging becomes more on point, and how your close rates improve. And this is never about losing your human touch. That is imperative, and you should never, ever lose that. AI is just here to enhance it. Its goal is to help you enhance what you know. Thank you so much for sticking with me up until this point, and we strongly encourage you to try out Dectopus AI if you haven't already, so you can focus on what truly matters. That is your content and not the formatting. Leave the rest to Dectopus. With AI by your side, you'll well on your way to achieve ongoing success, one impactful pitch at a time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next course.